What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Well-Star Reviews and Healthy Wild for Eats. Today I'm going to be reviewing the MASA Chips. In this video, I will be sharing with you which flavors I like the least and which flavors I like the most and everything in between. I tested every one of their chip flavors, and then I will also share with you my personal experience with the chip brand, the quality of the chips, and overall my personal opinion and what actually changed from eating this chip from regular old schmegular chips. So first and foremost, what is all the hype and hoopla about? Well, MASA chips are grass-fed beef tallow, that's the oil instead of seed oils, and then it's organic corn and a little bit of sea salt. So it's very simple. Based on the flavor, it's gonna have different seasonings, and I'll kind of get into that in this video. But first I wanna share with you real quick which flavors were my least favorite and which were my most favorite. So first and foremost, their churro chip is their sweet chip. It has, it's more of like a dessert chip. I mean, it's like a churro. It's got organic corn, 100% grass-fed beef tallow, regenerative organic powdered sugar, royal cinnamon, and Redmond real salt. Now, the blue corn and the churro are my least favorites, and here's why. I'm not a huge fan of blue corn. It's very traditional, and it's just pretty plain to me. That's one reason for that. So I'm gonna set that down. The reason I don't like the churro personally is I don't really want more sugar with my carbs. And the second reason is Redmond real salt, which is one of the ingredients in these MASA chips in this bag specifically, not the other bags, is that it is high in heavy metals. Redmond real salt has been tested and been shown to be high in heavy metals. So I don't really like the churro chips and I don't really like the blue corn. However, the original and white corn, they are sea salt, obviously white corn, grass-fed beef tallow, and sea salt for the white corn bag, and then organic corn, 100% grass-fed beef tallow, and sea salt for the original. These actually blew me away at how simple they are, but how delicious they are. So these compared to your regular tortilla chips, your regular white corn, your regular yellow corn tortilla chips, these blew me out of the water in terms of taste and flavor. And that is because the quality of the ingredients. So organic, grass-fed, and sea salt, it was just very simple, but very filling at the same time. One thing that really surprised me was that these chips, more so than any other chip I've ever had in my entire life, are far more filling. And for me, that was a surprise because usually if I start eating chips, it's hard to put the bag down, let's be honest. But with these chips in particular, I believe because of the quality ingredients and because having beef tallow as opposed to seed oils, it's just simply more filling. Like I'll eat 4 or 5 chips and be like, okay, I'm done. And usually I could eat a whole bag or a half a bag or something like that. So I was pleasantly surprised by that. So these are, I really like their base flavors. They're white and yellow corn. Those are really good for me. And I use them, like what I'll do is I'll put them at the bottom of a meal on a plate, and then I'll put like beef, tomatoes, onions, garlic, a little bit of like salt, obviously, and raw cheese, things like that. And I'll make like my own sort of like nachos with these, and it's absolutely out of this world amazing. I wish I could share them with you. Next we have their Hatch Chile and their lime. These would be my next favorite flavors. They're Hatch Chile and lime. Your lime is kind of, similar to what's out there, but obviously much higher quality ingredients. Sea salt, lime, grass-fed beef tallow, and 100% organic corn. And then the Hatch Chile is all organic, same things, but it's Hatch green chili, purple striped garlic, sea salt, organic onion, organic oregano, and organic black pepper. So I probably like the Hatch Chile a little bit more, but the lime is just really good. It's nice to have with guacamole and things like that. So these two would be my slightly more preferred chips over the white corn and the original. And then last but not least, my favorite MASA chip flavor, which is absolutely incredible, out of this world, gonna blow your mind, is their Cobanero MASA chip, which is basically the ingredients are organic corn, grass-fed beef tallow, sea salt, onion, paprika, lime, tomato, beetroot, purple striped garlic, chipotle chilies, Cobanero chili, ancho chili, and habanero chili. So this one's got a little heat to it, a little kick to it. If you don't like the heat or the kick, this chip may not be for you. But this is personally my favorite flavor. So just kind of recapping, favorite flavor, second least favorite flavors are the 2 green bags, Hatch green chili and the lime. And then I really like, I just love the white corn and original. I don't know what it is. I've never had corn chips, white corn or original corn chips that have been so delicious in my life. And one of the things, just to recap, that I really love about the MASA brand, I saw them for months now, maybe even over a year. I saw all these health influencers posting about them and I'm like, it's just a chip brand. Like, how good could it be? And I thought it was a little hyped up too much, to be honest with you. But since I've tried them, I'm absolutely blown away. I absolutely love them. They're incredibly delicious. And because of the beef tallow on the chips as opposed to seed oils, they're not as aerated and light. They're actually very filling. So I can eat a small handful of chips and be much more full. So what I like about this brand is not only is the high quality ingredients better for my health, but I eat less chips. So I might have 5, 6, 7, 10 chips, whereas before I'd have like 50 chips. So that's a huge benefit to this brand, is not only is it healthier for you, but you're gonna eat less of them because of that fat, because of that beef tallow in there. So I really like this brand. I'll link up their website below. I believe the link that I have gives you like 20% off your first order, or maybe even every order, I don't know. So check out that link in the description and click that link. I believe it's masachips.com/healthywellfree, and I believe it's 20% off. Don't quote me on that, but check out the link in the description. And last but not least, I wanna share with you what I do here on the channel of Wellstar Reviews is I review health and wellness brands that I have found to be high quality and that I personally vet. So I have a list of over 30 different health and wellness brands that are high quality, low in heavy metals, mold-free, all this kind of stuff. Certified organic, biodynamically grown, both foods for your body, but also supplements, and also skincare, beauty, hair care, shower filters, red lights, hydrogen water bottles, barefoot minimalist shoes, all the latest and greatest in health and wellness for inside your body, but also on your body topically. One example of that would be a brand called Purity Coffee. And this is an example of a company that they do double batch testing. So they tested the origin, which is in Ethiopia, and then when they bring it here to the US, they test it again. And if that batch goes bad somewhere in the shipping process, they throw it out and disregard it. So one example is Purity Coffee. That's one of the brands that I review, and there's many other brands. So this company is fantastic because low in heavy metals, low in all these other types of, there's no mold, no mycotoxins, things like that. Certified organic. They actually grow their beans biodynamically, which means that they are not even allowed to put in like the 22 or 3 pesticides that certified organic produce can have. So this is just another example of a brand. If you want the best coffee in the world, Purity Coffee is it. So I'll link that up below. This is 30% off right now. So I figured I'd share it because if you like MASA Chips and you like high quality things, you may love this coffee. So that's just one example, but if you go to healthywildfree.com/shop in the comment section, that will give you a list and access to brands, over 30 different health and wellness brands. Like I said, free shipping, discounts, dollar amounts off, percentages off, discount codes. Some of them even work for life. So check out that link in the description. Subscribe here to the channel for future health and wellness reviews, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.